Some 9,400 jobs in Singapore's financial sector are expected to be on offer this year as institutions look to digitalisation to power their growth. About a third of the roles will be tech-based, with the most in-demand jobs being software developers and engineers. A Singapore Central Bank chief told an online forum that talent will be key to unlocking the sector's prospects, both local and foreign. Clara Lee reports.
I was actually like a former national swimmer, and I was very passionate about finance. And after that, I decided to move into this space, the fintech space.
Mr. Richard Ng is a blockchain developer for a payments platform, lured by the increasing prospects of the technology. Blockchain is tipped as the next big thing, from banks to bunkering, because of its decentralized nature and security.
There's a huge supply shock in terms of like developers or people who know the concept of blockchain. So I think definitely as time goes on, as technology improves, there will be more or greater demand for people in this space or developers in this space.
Singapore now has more than 1,400 fintech firms just like this one, and the country is making a name for itself as a good environment for financial innovation. In fact, the industry saw a record high of $3.9 billion in fintech investments last year. Leading players looking to digitalize are also anchoring their operations right here in Singapore.
Singapore's financial sector grew 4 times faster than the overall economy throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Nearly 6,000 new jobs were also created in the last 2 years, and much of it is down to the ongoing digital wave. The sector is expected to continue thriving if it has a future-ready workforce made up of a strong Singaporean core and foreign talent.
Welcoming global talent is not a choice, it is a necessity. The financial sector is growing rapidly and creating more jobs than our small local workforce can meet. Our labour market is tightening with unfilled vacancies and rising wages. If we do not remain open to global talent, our financial sector will lose its competitiveness and growth will be subpar.
An industry watcher says firms typically hire foreigners and give them short-term output-oriented goals. But there could be a more sustainable solution to workforce woes.
They shouldn't just measure these foreign managers on the output or how they have exerted their expertise, but they should also focus on how they have actually helped to grow their team members in developing these skill sets that they have, so that when the time comes for them to actually leave Singapore, their team members are actually much more ready to take on all these responsibilities.
Authorities say they are stepping up efforts to grow the Singapore workforce by harnessing polytechnic students, attracting mid-career professionals, and bringing back overseas Singaporeans with talent in finance and technology.